Hi and welcome to another video. In this video I'll be creating a new gig and I will showing you how it ranks on the first page. It does not matter if it is related to WordPress, website development, digital marketing, graphic or design, writing, translation or any of the fields which Fiverr provides. It does not matter which field you belong. I will be explaining you how you can write the most optimized SEO friendly gig on Fiverr and how it will rank on the first page or on the first 4 or first 6 or first 8 gigs. I will be explaining everything from start till end. You have to watch this video till the very end if you want to earn a lot of money on Fiverr. You know that Fiverr, I have earned around thousands of dollars on Fiverr every week. You can do that too if you have watched my previous videos. So let's start this. I will be making a gig on WordPress. It is related to website development, but it does not matter if you are not making a gig related to it. What I will be doing in this video, you will just have to follow that and you will be able to make your gig SEO optimized if it is related to any other category. So basically I will be making in WordPress. So this is the first page I've opened and I'll be creating a new gig here. So basically I've randomly opened like multiple Fiverr services or Fiverr gigs here, like top 6 to 7 Fiverr gigs of the WordPress category. I've opened it here. Now what I'll be doing is, what is the first thing I need to add? It is the gig title. So you need to add the gig title. How you will be adding it, I'll show you. I will basically copy this, paste it in a Word file. Okay, I will copy this one and paste it in a Word file. I'll be copying this again and will be putting it again on the Word file. Let me make it smaller. Okay, I'll be copying this one as well, putting it here. You just need to copy and paste 6 to 7 of the best gig titles you think there are on the first page, or even on the first 6 to 7 basically WordPress gigs. So these are the 6 to 7 basically text or titles. Let me reduce its font like this and I will be writing, let me make it smaller. I will be making it smaller and now here I will be writing my own gig, right? So what do you find common in most of the gigs? It is a create, okay, you can see it has create, fix. I'll remove these because I'll not be using making a gig related to fix issue, but I will use their keywords too. So basically 3 of the gigs say create, so I will use the word create. Okay. Now the second thing is WordPress. All of these has WordPress. So another thing, responsive. So create or responsive. I am basically picking up some of the most widely used keywords which is responsive and WordPress. So I will be adding responsive, WordPress, website and website. So multiple websites as well. So this is the main main layout. Create a responsive WordPress website, but it is not yet done. What we are doing is I will copy it and paste it. Firstly, I will paste it here like this. Create a responsive WordPress website. Now I will go back and I will show you. Now there are certain things. Some of the most picky lines are within 24 hours, or basically I personally think that this is the most attractive thing which you should add in your within 24 hours or within 48 hours. So within 48 hours. So it's still not done. Why? You can see it has 1, 2, 3, 4 of the 4 keywords, but it should have a minimum of 5 keywords. The best gig have minimum of 5 keywords. So what we can do is create a responsive WordPress website, and what I'll be doing is, you can know that it should be WordPress website and landing page. I will add here landing page. Why I did add landing page, you can see it because of this. Now landing page is something which is the first page of the website, so I have just written that. I'll copy it again, I will paste it, I'll make it smaller, let me fix it. Okay, Now it says looks good, however shorter titles sell better, but I don't think that like matters in this. And even if I remove the last 48 hours, it still have, you can see 1 2 3 4 and 5 perfect basically keywords. So the gig title is done. What I'll be doing is I'll go to programming and tech, I think website development, like it is basically you will choose according to your what do you want. I will simply choose e-commerce. I'll randomly choose, you can choose whatever like you want it, like I will copy or choose these, right? Now what you can see, I copy the word you have used in your title, that should also be in your like keyword section. Responsive, responsive, WordPress, WordPress, website, create website. Okay, I will use this one instead of this one. I will type landing page, and you can add plugins because it's something related to WordPress. So I will click on next. Okay, it's telling me to WordPress. Okay, now e-commerce, I will choose it again. I will choose multiple options for now. I'm just randomly choosing options. You can choose whatever you like want because it does not really matters. So okay, now I have this law. Okay, this one. Now I click on save and continue. Now the main thing what we need to do is I will show you. Click on save and continue. Changes saved. Okay, now it is moved to pricing. You can give your price, like I will show you. The most preferable is or the most preferred thing is silver, gold and platinum. So yeah, I will copy it. It does not really matter with SEO, so you can choose whatever you want for this one. I will be adding gold here and I will be adding platinum here. So next, the most important thing is these, like this couple of lines here, right? So what do you need to do is you need to, like there are, like I have opened around 7 to 8 gigs. What do you need to do is, firstly you need to have this arrow. Like you can see this arrow, you will copy something like this and paste it here like this, because this arrow is something which most people is like it is very pretty attractive, right? So one thing you need to do is you will add different arrows here, right? I will add at least around 5 here, 5 here and 5 here. Use these arrows as much as you can. Now go to all of these. For example, use provide 4 sections. I will choose 4 sections. The most important thing is the job description. I will be explaining it later on. The next is MailChimp or email integration. I will type that here. Next thing, Elementor, for example. You can choose, like you can add whatever you want. Responsive and landing page. I will copy all of these and paste it here for now because it does not really matter at the time. You can choose your delivery time according to which you think is possible. You can add pages, whatever pages you think is likely, revisions as well. I'm just simply choosing what I think. I'm just randomly choosing. I'm not basically choosing what I want, but I'm really like just simply choosing for the sake of it. So just to go to the next page. Ignore it. Now 2 days for extra like 20, 5 days for extra 20. You will have to do your own payment stuff because it does not really matters in the SEO thing. Okay, yeah, you need to write like for example 50, 250 and 550. You will choose your own pricing. Okay, next thing I need to do is okay, one what just remove it for now. I think basic packages extra for duration must be shorter than okay. So you need to just simply change the delivery time right here. Okay, save and continue. Now the main important thing what the gigs is, okay, package provide should be predefined a minimum of 80 and less like okay, it says the minimum of 80, so I will just simply add 80 here. I don't know what happened. Description is too long, maximum 100 character. Okay, I will remove these because it does not really matters in the job description. The main thing is the job description, which we will be doing right now after this one. Okay, now the main thing arrives, which is job description and FAQ, and the main thing according to which after title. The first thing is title and the second thing is the job description. This is the main thing according to which your gig ranks, right? So this is the first gig. I will simply copy it from start till end and I will paste it here like this. I will write 1 and like this. Now I will write 2 and I will be doing like this. 1 second. Okay, this is for example if I've chosen this one, right? And there are multiple other, you can choose from any of them, right? Now what you going to do, you will go to the main page and you will see which of the seller has the most orders in queue, which you can check right here, right? Most orders, most are 22. Okay, 22. This one has 7, so I will ignore it. 17. Okay, 3, 11, and this one has 17. So the most orders, this person has the most orders. So I will simply go on the description. Let me open up the description. This is the description, right? Okay, I already have it on my Word. I will just simply copy it. I will open up my chat GPT. Please, 1 second. Please write me a SEO optimized version of the description which I am sending you. Please rearrange the text and remove all plagiarism, and also make it perfectly looking good, something like that. It will understand what I'm looking good. Now we'll just simply copy it. Just let me, okay, now I've just sent him what I really provide, or like the service I am providing. So you can see it's providing me the most efficient and the most, you can say, like SEO friendly and SEO optimized version of what I provided it. So it's writing it for me. I will just let it finish and I'll copy it. So just simply copy it. You can change your name or your stuff, whatever you provide, unless you paste it here. So next thing you need to do is just simply align it like this. Just give a space here. Just give a space here as well. Just give a space here. Another space and another space. You can bold whatever you want like this, or you can color everything, anything you want, like it is like pretty much same. So this is it. Now what you are going to do, if you scroll down to any of these gigs, you can see that there is an FAQ section, frequently asked question. So you just need to copy it, like the best question out there on the 7 or 8 screens. You just need to copy it, click here, add question, and add next to it. For now I'll be just clicking on save and continue, and I will going to the next page, which is requirement. So basically, what are requirement, or what does it really mean? It means once the buyer place an order, Fiverr asks them that what client really want, and what service do you want after this purchase. So you will add, so buyer can give an automated question. For example, what I'll write here is, please tell me all the necessary information which I'll need to get started. Like you can add any stuff here basically, so that once the buyer place an order, they will see this and they can like give you an answer related to this. So click on save and continue, and after I click on save and continue, here is the gallery option. So this is the last thing, which is the most important thing. If I tell you the what is the most important thing, the first one is the title, the second one is the description, and the third one is the image. And I'll be making a dedicated separate video. In the next video I'll be making the gig image. And why? Because the gig image is the most important thing. Because if, for example, if I do not like this image, or I don't like this image, why would I even open it, right? So I'll be creating a custom image. If you have no like you don't know anything about graphic designing or related to any of that stuff, it does not really matter. What I'll be doing is I will be making it online on a custom software, and I will be explaining to you how you can make the most attractive gig image, and you can use it and you will get a lot of orders. The main thing what you need to focus is the title, description, one more thing is the keywords, and then the gig image. And if everything you have followed made according to my video, your gig will rank on the first page. If you like this video, subscribe to the channel, and if you want me to make the gig image, please subscribe, because next video will be related to the gig image. I'll see you guys in the next video.